Ammar Faruq, Director, OMAF, Buro. Please come on stage.
Thank you very much, Saban Sahab. Good evening, everyone, and thank you. You are here to in the International Symposium 2025. I'm Ammar Faruqi. I have to present that paper along with my co-author. Unfortunately, he is not in the town, so I'm going to present it alone. Today we are going to share with you an exciting vision. This is NeuroGrid X. Okay. NeuroGrid X is actually a new lab in the power control, protection and automation system. It's centralized AI-driven control and protection system, which is controlling the overall grid as a brain. So I think now the slides are important so that everyone will. Okay, what we are going to discuss in this paper, we will be I will be introducing some NeuroGrid, the system architecture, the components of the NeuroGrid, then the software, and then the commercial aspect of the NeuroGrid. It's a research project. It's under development, and we are working with some university academia to conclude this as a commercial product. Next one. The journey of the protection and control began with the fuse. In 1880 we have the first fuse introduced in the market, and then in 1905 we have the first electromechanical relay, and 1912 we have the first discard installed in Chicago. But fast forwarding to today, we stand on the brink of a new era where AI, blockchain, cloud computing redefine how our substations and network operate. NeuroGrid X is not just another protection platform, it's a complete ecosystem for real-time decision-making, enhanced grid resilience and automation, all certainly driven yet agile and scalable. Next slide please. The concept of the NeuroGrid is it's an AI-driven centralized control and protection system which will be applied for medium voltage, high voltage, extra high voltage, FETs and the power generation plants. It will be, what makes it unique is its unified design. It combines protection, control, event management, signal processing, automation, advanced analytics in a single centralized server architecture. Think it as a brain of the grid station, with a built-in intelligence to monitor, predict, and act. Next slide, please. So this is actually the system architect. If you see, there are in the bottom is the measuring and control unit. The measuring control unit gathers the raw information from the network. For example, its current, voltage, system status, for example, circuit breaker status, isolator, disconnector, what are the positions, and it makes a real twin in the system. It uses the Ethernet, high-speed Ethernet switch, which is time sync, and it sends it to the central server where the NeuroGrid X resides. It interfaces with HMI gateways, enabling remote control, visualization and seamless communication with the outside world. Every block here is vital in turning the field data into actionable intelligence. Next slide. At the moment we have the merging unit from ABB and Siemens, the same what we are developing as MCUs in our product, but remaining is our software platform which is actually far advanced than what ABB and Siemens at the moment is doing. Our software will have the complete protection algorithm with it. It will have the distance, overcurrent, differential, and all standard protection schemes and algorithms in that. In addition to that, it will be having the live system data. These algorithms adapt the changing the grid conditions. For instance, if the load flows or the generation profile changes in real time, then automatically the settings and the parameters of the decision making will be modified accordingly. So this is where at the moment we don't find any solution available in the real world at the moment. Similarly, the software will calibrate itself, and it will be working. It will be having the event fault recording. Similarly, it will have the grid automation features in that, and the last one, this all will be driven by the AI and the blockchain, so that the data which is being used, it will be having the transparency overall for maintenance and reducing. It will reduce the time and it will extend the supply. Now, why is the neurogrid? Because the future of energy is smart, centralized, predictive and secure. We have combined deep protection engineering with leading edge AI to create a system that's both operationally sound and commercially viable. We bring value to every stakeholder. Utilities get faster responses and better visibility. Industries users get power reliability and cost effectiveness. Tech partners get a platform to build on, and the policymakers get a system that aligns with the energy transition. Now, if you look ahead, neurogrid is not a standalone product. It's a platform that enables self-healing substations, integrated with IoT for energy-aware cities, and supports AI-driven energy trading system. We envision partnerships with utilities, EPCs, and research institutions to continuously evolve the system, and this is just a beginning. Just to give a commercial aspect of the neurogrid, I can just say, let's zoom out and look at the market. The global grid automation sector was valued at 62.7 billion USD in 2023. By 2030, it's projected to reach USD 148 billion with a growth rate of assumed 12%. And in Pakistan, we have only 50 million USD in 2023, which is, if we keep growing a growth rate at 8%, it will be 85 million USD by 2030. And this is all without the factoring the private sector's push to resilient industrial power. In case our private sector would come into the picture, then the figures may go up further. Now, this is what we have done. Our research studies. We are now trying to, getting the investment from the commercial aspect to launch this neurogrid commercially. We may need around 600,000 USD for the commercially launching of this product. The prototype maybe we can complete in 3 years, and commercially we can do it within 5 years. So this is all. Thank you for your attention. I'm Ammar Faruqi. Now I'm open for your questions.